Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Minister Priyank Kharge has leveled serious allegations against the BJP government, accusing it of profiteering at the cost of lives during the COVID-19 pandemic, calling their actions a form of mass murder. Kharge claims that, driven by financial greed, the BJP government orchestrated a widespread public health failure that led to unnecessary deaths. He specifically highlighted decisions under then Chief Minister Yediyurappa, who allegedly bypassed local manufacturers and opted to import PPE kits from China despite domestic production capabilities. Kharge raised concerns over inflated PPE kit prices and the lack of due diligence, asserting that the BJP government chose Chinese imports at exorbitant cost, leading to accusations of betrayal and negligence. Kharge, while targeting BJP leaders Yediyurappa and former Health Minister Sri Ramulu, referred to the findings of an interim report by Justice Kunha revealing a 700 crore COVID scandal implicating these officials. The report alleged direct orders and approvals for overpriced imports and payments without proper verification. Kharge questioned Prime Minister Modi's silence on this issue given his Make in India initiative and demanded answers on how such a major scandal, now being referred to as mass murder, could take place unchecked. He detailed specific procurement decisions. In March 2020, the government approved a significant order for PPE kits at inflated prices from foreign suppliers despite the availability of cheaper locally produced kits. He pointed out the drastic price increase of PPE kits from rupees 333 to rupees 2117 per kit without clear justification. He questioned as to why there is a difference of around 1900 rupees. Additionally, the BJP government reportedly paid suppliers 100% in advance, defying standard protocols, which Kharge cited as evidence of corruption and prioritization of profit over people's safety. Kharge also highlighted the discrepancy in death statistics released by the BJP government. Official data cited only 37,206 deaths during the pandemic, while independent studies suggested the number of deaths could be as high as 4.26 lakh in 2021 alone. According to Kharge, these figures point towards a deliberate cover-up of death resulting from poor medical supplies and mismanagement, which he claims amounts to mass murder. Mocking BJP's stance, Kharge said that if the Congress had engaged in similar actions, they would have been labelled as anti-national. Kharge argued that this goes beyond corruption, labeling it as mass murder driven by the BJP's greed and negligence. He stressed that Karnataka Congress government intends to pursue justice for COVID victims who, in his view, fell prey to BJP's mismanagement. Addressing BJP's criticism, Kharge also reacted to BJP state president B.Y. Vijendra's demand for CM Siddaramaia's resignation, stating, "Let Vijendra wait to see what shape this COVID scandal takes in the coming days." That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.